Alright, so this is Blender, and this is the default cube as it starts out, and we're going to modify this to make a ground. So you can see that you can move it around with these different arrows. Alright, just as a reminder from last year. So what I want to do is resize this, so I use the S key. So I'm going to do S, Z, to shape it up and down, and then 0.2. So we've got that. And now I'm going to make the whole thing bigger by 15. So I'm just going to do S15. So now we've got a nice large thing. And maybe SZ, we can push this down a bit. Again, we really don't need to have it that. Just play with it a bit there. Okay, so there is our default cube. And if I wanted to, I could make it green for grass. So I go over here to this icon and choose this and maybe make it a green. Okay, so that will be our color. And we are now going to add another cube for the player. So we're going to put on so go add mesh cube. And as you can see, it's inside, so I'm going to pull it up. I'm going to rotate it though, so I'm going to R for rotate, so I'm going to do RX, rotate it that way. And then I'm also going to do RY, because I want that bottom part to be, well, we'll see in a minute. Okay, now to make this interactive, we need to first of all go to the game setting here. Alright, and then over here I need to go to the very last icon, this one, and now that I'm in the game setting, I'm going to set this to rigid body, so I have to set that, but then I also have to come down here and set the collision bounds, and I'm going to click on box to make sure that's selected. Okay, I'm going to hit the letter P, and this is what can happen then. Okay, it becomes a game that works with the physics laws built in.